Hi guys, I'm David Penn and this is Coinvexed third generation. For Coinvexed third generation, the gimmick has been completely redesigned so it now comfortably sits on both sides of the Sharpie. The DVD also features my double coin bend routine. The first coin bends in the hands of the spectator, and then with a couple of optical bends, they see it bending even further at your fingertips. Finally, a coin which is isolated under their own hand bends. Both coins can be kept by the spectator. I'm David Penn and this is Coinvexed third generation.